Restoring your Apple device with iTunes. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're facing issues with your Apple device, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll show you how to restore your device with iTunes and get it running like new. But before starting this video, please hit that subscribe button below and click the notification bell. That way, you won't miss any of our Apple-related tips and tutorials. We've got lots of exciting content coming up. Alright, let's get started on restoring your Apple device with iTunes. 1. Connect your device to the computer you used to make the backup using a USB cord. 2. Launch iTunes if it doesn't start up immediately. 3. To choose your device in iTunes, click on it in the top left corner. 4. A Restore Backup button can be found on the device summary screen. To begin the restoration procedure, click this. 5. The backups that are accessible will be listed. Choose the backup from the list that you wish to restore. You recover your most recent data, make sure you select the most recent backup. 6. After you choose a backup, iTunes will start restoring your device. Your device will restart throughout this process, which could take some time. 7. After the restoration is finished, finish the setup by following the on-screen prompts on your device and logging in using your Apple ID and password. After completing these steps, your Apple device should be restored to the state it was in when you made the backup, with all your apps, settings, and data intact. This method provides a secure way to protect your data and ensures you can recover it whenever needed. Remember to periodically create new backups to keep your data up to date. Thank you for watching.